Hi, this is Ms. Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and today we are going to show you the Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. We're going to unbox this, show you the software, and then the finished product. You're going to have a cut design like a t-shirt or a shirt that I made for myself. So right now we're going to show you how to set it up. So once you take everything out of the box, you have the power plug. You're going to power up your Cricut machine. You're going to plug this into the computer with the USB. And then you're going to go to cricut.com/setup. It's going to walk you through it. And then you're going to design in the Cricut Design Center, and this is what the canvas looks like. Now the machine itself, we're going to focus on the vinyl paper. So this is transfer vinyl, otherwise known as like Easy Weed if you're trying to look it up. I like this. You could find this on our website. It's like $55. It is expensive paper, so you don't want to waste it. This is great because it's 12 inches and it fits nicely on the machine. It goes on this grid right here. And if you feel that, it's a little sticky.
So what is this grid used for?
So the grid is used for, you're going to put the Easy Weed or the vinyl paper. Take a look over here. You're going to put it on this grid. You're going to line it up. And the machine is going to cut your design on this paper. And it's not going to move. You see how it sticks? And it's nice and flat. Careful with your paper. You don't want to get creases like you see how sometimes I have creases because I'm just manhandling it. And then when you're done, when the machine is done cutting, you're going to peel this off, and then you're going to get something like this when it's all peeled off. And this is one design where you would stick it down, and that's ready to be ironed. All right, are you ready for the first cut? So you're going to go to the machine and to the software. We're gonna do, we'll stick with black. This is the feed feature. So once it's ready, you're gonna feed it. And then that Cricut logo is ready to cut. So what you're gonna do, you're going to use the computer, you see that? You're gonna click on, we'll just cut an image. We'll do another strawberry, and this time we're just going to do a small strawberry.
Add to canvas.
Perfect. You're going to add it to canvas. Now what I like to do is I like to drag the strawberry and I pull it down a little. Yep. And that's pretty much it. You're going to click on Make It. We're going to do it on the mat. Confirm or continue, 12 by 12 mat. And then if we were doing text, the most important thing with text, you see that mirror option on the left? Right there. But we're not going to mirror. We don't have to mirror it. It's not text. Then you're going to click on continue. And on the machine, once it's ready, you'll see the blinking Cricut logo. You're going to press that button. And then you're going to watch the machine cut the strawberry. And notice we have a lot of paper on the right hand side. That's just going to be wasted paper. We can cut around it and save that section of the paper for later. The program also tells you in percentage. Right now it's 100%, it's done. You'll see the machine will stop, and then you're gonna go back up here and you're gonna press that button, the arrow, and it just brings out the canvas, the paper, and you're done. So now what we're gonna do, you're gonna bring this to the table. I would suggest using a large flat table like the one we have right here. And then you're gonna cut, you're gonna pull off this vinyl paper, and you wanna cut right underneath that strawberry. So you're gonna see the strawberry. You don't wanna waste this paper, so you're just gonna kind of peel it off and then you're gonna cut right under it and then to the side. So it's like a nice rectangle, so you save this paper as well.
So right here.
You got it? Yeah. And even if you waste an inch or so, that's okay. Not a big deal. We'll do the best we can to save as much paper. And there's always going to be a project where we can use just a small, a small mini heart, a big heart. So we reuse the paper. We could even pull it all off if this is easier. And then we could just do the cut. And then once we have it, the best thing to do is just place it anywhere on this. See, so that's the cut. So my student's going to place it down. And now, with his hands, he can actually, you're going to peel off this vinyl. Try to get it with your nail. There is a tool. It comes with the tool. But a lot of the times for like an image like this, you can see it's very easy to just peel it off. Here, I got this corner. You can go slow, you can go a little bit faster, but you're gonna see how the shape of the strawberry is coming out. It's perfect, looks good. Now for you see there's the, you can kind of peel that. You probably should get the tool. He's gonna do his best, or maybe not. Hold on a second, let me find this tool. All right, so I got the tool. The Cricut machine, unfortunately, it doesn't come with these tools. That tool came from that pack of vinyl paper I bought. So that was a multi-pack. I believe it was like 12 different colors. For $54, and the tool came with it. All right, so he's going to use the tool very carefully. He's going to weed out the center. All right, perfect. So you see what we have here? So we're going to just peel it entirely off. And then what you want to do with the clothing, you want to iron this beforehand. So you want to press this first. And then you're going to stick the image. So after we iron this, we can put the black, like let's say on the bottom right-hand corner. So we would iron this first. We would peel it when it's ready. And then we would put the black. Again, black on black, sometimes I see it would be okay if you like it like that. So you wouldn't iron it like this. First you would iron that, then you would peel this off, and then you would put this on top. Press it, and then take it off. You could put, obviously, a dark on a light. Here is white, a sample on like a hat. So you can use hat, tank tops, you name it. This is what the Cricut does. And we will show you our completed iron project, because I do all the ironing, students don't, but that is how you cut, and that is how you use that Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. Thanks, bye.